So guys, I haven't uploaded in a while. And I didn't know what to upload because I wanted to upload again, but I didn't know what. So I was like, let's just go outside and just vlog nature. Just vlog nature. So that's what I did. I stepped outside on the trampoline. Watch backflip. Oh, okay. See, I can do backflips. Just on trampolines though. So yeah, I didn't know what to vlog about. So I went outside and I was bored. It might end because I still don't have any memory. Still need to clear some memory out. Yeah, I wanted to practice soccer with my brother, but his leg got messed up. I need other person to play soccer with, so I just jump. Yeah. So there's really nothing on top of that. Yeah. Humongous tree. Most years in the fall into my house, into my room, and I get it. I never run. Yeah. I don't know what to upload about. Okay, I'm stuck. Yeah. I don't know what to say now. Just enjoy the music. Okay. So yeah, I didn't know what to talk about. I'm gonna show you some moves. Hey, oh God. Okay, now front flip. Oh, ollie. Oh God. Okay, attempt number 2. Oh God. Oh. That's it. Oh, fuck, Jimmy. Oh. Oh. Oh, my leg. Ow. Ow. Oh, God. Ouch. Ouch. I thought I had soccer practice today, but it's tomorrow, I think. You see that? Yeah. So, how long is 3 minutes of talking about? I finished my homework. Guess that doesn't really matter, but yeah, I finished my homework. So now I'll probably play video games and I'll vlog that too. So, see you guys.